Imagine sliding into the saddle of the 2026 version of the Kawasaki Ninja H2SX SE. The world fades into the background, and you're fully immersed in the ride, smooth pavement beneath you, pure performance humming beneath your thighs. It's not just a sport tourer. It's a statement. From the moment you twist the throttle, the engine's supercharged heartbeat declares, this is something special. The 998cc inline-4 engine, fitted with a supercharger, doesn't just deliver raw speed, it delivers usable, thrilling power across the rev range. You've got about 200 PS of power available in the low to mid-range, tuned for both everyday usability and open road excitement. As traffic clears and the road stretches out, you feel the surge, a step on the throttle and the machine pushes forward with authority, not just once, but smoothly, intelligently. The chassis and suspension match the engine's ambition. The high-tensile steel trellis frame carries the mass with poise. The refined suspension setup, especially in the SE trim, gives you control whether you're carving curves or settling in for a long ride. The front dual 320mm Brembo-style radial mount calipers stop you with finesse, not panic. The ergonomics strike a balance. Sporty enough to engage, comfortable enough to ride far. Technologically, the H2SX SE is packed. The 6.5-inch full-color TFT display gives you full integration via the Kawasaki Spin smartphone app, meaning navigation, connectivity and ride data are all at your fingertips. Radar-based ARAS advanced rider assist systems bring adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection and forward collision warning, features you'd expect from premium cars, not necessarily from sport tourers. Grip heaters, TPMS tire pressure monitoring system, auto high beam, remote key KIPASS system, all these add up to make the ride smarter and more comfortable. Mount it and you'll feel the weight, about 590.9 pounds curb weight in US spec. With the fuel tank full and fluids topped, the bike is ready, but it's not light. That means you arrive at each ride already committed. But once moving, the momentum rewards you. Pull up in traffic and the engine idles quietly. Hit the road and it transforms into a beast. When you flick the mode selector to Sport or Sport Plus, you feel the throttle sharpen, the suspension firm up, the whole machine tighten for action. The quick shifter, both up and down, makes transition seamless and adds to the immersive feel. Launch control mode lets you poke at the limit when you're ready. It's a bike designed to be ridden hard, but equally capable of being ridden with purpose, style, and comfort. Let's talk comfort. The seat height is roughly 32.9 inches, about 835 millimeters depending on spec. For someone of average height, the saddle height asks a bit of respect, but the posture is upright enough for touring. The windscreen shields you from windblast when things open up, and the pillion seat is generous enough for a companion on longer rides. Fuel capacity is approximately 5.0 gallons in US spec, giving you good range, especially if you keep it in sensible riding mode. Every detail serves a purpose. The cornering lights illuminate the line as you lean. The traction control, cornering management function KCMF, and IMU inertial measurement unit electronics all work behind the scenes to help you stay stable, whether you're braking hard, accelerating out of a turn, or leaning deep. If you're planning full days in the saddle, this machine is more than capable. Stop for lunch, mount the bike, enjoy the curves, crank the preload or let the electronic suspension adapt, and continue. Then when you reach your destination, it shoulders its luggage with grace, especially if you've fitted the optional panniers. In the city, the Ninja H2SX SE mellows. It doesn't demand every bit of its nature. You can ride relaxed, enjoy the high-res feel of build and technology, attend to traffic and lights, and then when the road opens up, click. Everything changes and you're airborne in spirit. In short, this is a machine that gives you both worlds. A superbike's heart and a sport tourer's sense of purpose. When you ride it, you're not just getting from A to B, you're doing it with verve. You're surrounded by technology, wrapped in Kawasaki's heritage of performance, and empowered to ride with confidence. For 2026, the Ninja H2SX SE remains a benchmark, exhilarating when you press the limits, composed when you settle into the ride. And it lets you ask, what ride will you take next?